Amplifier integration harness. Designed for select Nissan vehicles with a factory amplifier. Compatible with premium sound system. 204-inch long factory amplifier bypass harness. 12-pin connector. 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Plugs into car harness. Power 4 speakers. For use with VW amplified speaker system. Amplifier integration harness. Designed for select Nissan vehicles with a factory amplifier. Compatible with premium sound system. Top reviews from the United States. Make sure you have the harness for the stereo power source and other. This harness is only to bypass the amplifier and the cables that feed the speakers. Perfection. Perfect harness for someone who likes to do things cleanly and properly. And the best part is you can just unplug and switch back to stock super easily if needed. They give you a ton of wiring too.